In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect to the OpenAI API with make.com. This process will take you step by step through everything you need to ensure a smooth and effective connection between these two platforms, and before you know it, you'll be ready to begin harnessing the power of OpenAI in your make.com scenarios. Let's get started by heading over to the OpenAI platform's API reference page. You're going to find this page pivotal as it holds all the necessary documentation and information you might need along the way. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the section that's highlighted. This ensures that we're following along the right track and accessing the relevant settings. Next, direct your attention to the API keys section. Clicking here will bring you to the page where you can manage your existing keys or create new ones. Since we're setting this up for the first time, you're going to need to create a new secret key. Go ahead and click on Create New Secret Key. Once you're there, just type in the necessary detail as prompted. This might be a label or the location for your API key. Following this, you'll need to select the default project option. This ensures that your new API key is connected to the right project within OpenAI. Then, proceed by clicking on Create Secret Key. After this, be sure to copy this key. It's crucial for connecting to make.com. Just be mindful that this key must be kept secure and confidential to prevent unauthorized access. With your API key securely copied, let's jump over to make.com's platform. Here, locate the Scenarios section and click on it. Scenarios in make.com are where you design and execute automated workflows, and OpenAI's API will enhance these workflows with AI capabilities. In your list of scenarios, click on Create Scenario. This is where the exciting part begins, and you start integrating OpenAI into your tasks. Once you've reached the scenario creation page, type in the required information as highlighted. You'll now see an option to include OpenAI's services like ChatGPT, Whisper, or DALL-E. Choose the one you need by clicking on it, then click on List Input Items to outline how information will flow through your workflow. To integrate OpenAI's API, click on Create a Connection. After this, paste the API key you copied earlier. Give the connection a name you can easily recognize and hit Save. This step ensures that your scenario can communicate directly with OpenAI's servers for processing tasks. You may need to input specific parameters, so go ahead and select all applicable image URLs from your input message to guide the data properly through the workflow. Finally, click on the execution ID to tie everything together, ensuring that you have a smooth execution path. Conclude by clicking Save one more time, locking in all your hard work. That's it. In a few straightforward steps, we've successfully linked OpenAI's API with make.com. Now you can start creating more intelligent and versatile scenarios using the latest AI technology. Enjoy unleashing your new automation capabilities, and remember to explore the endless possibilities this integration offers.